400 years ago, the first African slaves arrived on the shores of the United States. Archaeologists are searching for one of the very first to step off the boats, Angelo, a woman who arrived here in Jamestown, Virginia in 1619. They're hoping that by finding her remains, they can learn more about African heritage in America.
The story allows us to connect the wide and the very deep African past here in the Americas for children and for people my age and people who, are older. It really gives representation, right, to the fuller story of the American past.
Considered as a foremother of the African American community, historians believe Angelo boarded a ship in Angola before heading to Veracruz and finishing her voyage in Jamestown on the James River. She appears in the colony's census documents in 1624 and 1625. She worked for a wealthy family and lived alongside white servants.
To me, this story is sort of like Eve. I mean, Angelo is the first documented African woman in Virginia. That's the beginning, and very few people can actually point to a time and place where there's a beginning.
For the next 250 years, slavery reigned in the United States, the repercussions of which are still felt in American society today.